culture so vicious.
Before every game, and this is a challenge to the opposition team. Move! What are those things you're wearing on your feet?
They are called candles and are made of rubber, and we all wear them when we go to the beach.
Blow me down! Are you all bumblebees?
No. We are the Museum Famous Fuzzy Bee, which was a new society in 1930.
That is real flash. What is that flower called?
It is not a flower. It is the silver fern, and all New Zealand sports teams wear it on their uniform when they represent New Zealand. Like the black caps and cricket.
Like the All Blacks in rugby.
Like the All Blacks in soccer. Like the All Blacks in basketball. Like the silver fern in netball. Like the